Get ready to explore 5 awesome protein-packed dishes that'll totally amp up your health. The best part? They're all super simple to whip up. Hey everyone, it's me here with Level Up RN. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a family nurse practitioner who is board certified in both family medicine and primary care. And today, we're talking about the top 5 nutritious protein-packed dishes that will help keep you feeling your best. So whether you're a senior or you're taking care of someone who is, I think you'll enjoy this video. Let's get started with dish number 1. This is a quinoa pesto chicken bowl that has a variety of nutrients that can keep seniors feeling great. This dish is packed with lean protein from the chicken and quinoa and healthy fats from the avocado and the pesto. It also has tons of flavor thanks to the pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, and lemon juice. It's super nutritious and satisfying. So here's how it's done. To make this dish, start by cooking up some quinoa according to the package directions. While the quinoa is cooking, dice up a boneless, skinless chicken breast and then add it to a pan on medium heat. Cook the chicken until it's no longer pink, and then you can remove it from the heat. Next, you're going to mix together half a cup of pesto, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, and a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper in a large bowl. Add the cooked quinoa, chicken, half an avocado that's been diced, a fourth of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes that have been chopped up, and a fourth of a cup of cherry tomatoes that have been halved. Gently mix everything together and then divide it up into bowls. For extra protein and fiber, you can top it off with a few tablespoons of shelled edamame. And that brings us to dish number 2. Now this one is for all the classics out there. This is a simple tuna salad. This is a classic go-to for many people, and for good reason. Tuna is packed with protein and healthy fats, and it's a very versatile ingredient. The best part is it's super quick to make, so you can have lunch on the table in no time. To make this, combine 2 cans of tuna that have been drained, a fourth of a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of chopped celery, a tablespoon of chopped onion, a tablespoon of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste in a bowl. Mix it all together, and then you can serve it warm or cold. You could serve this on a bed of lettuce or over a few crackers or even with some whole grain bread. Tuna salad is a fantastic choice for seniors because it provides high-quality protein and healthy fats while being easy on the digestive system. Next up is dish number 3. This is grilled salmon. Now this is another great source of protein and healthy fats, and it's especially high in something called omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is not only a great source of those omega-3s, but it's also rich in potassium, which helps with blood pressure and maintaining a healthy heart. The best way to cook salmon is to grill it, or broil it, or bake it, because that helps it from drying out. And you want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through before you eat it. To make this, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with foil. Place a salmon fillet on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. Bake the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes or until it's just cooked through. You could also grill it or broil it. You can serve it with a variety of different side dishes like roasted vegetables or brown rice. Now, grilled salmon is a really great choice for those who are looking to boost their omega-3 intake, which can help maintain cognitive function and reduce joint pain and inflammation. Now we're on to dish number 4. This is a Greek yogurt parfait. This is a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack option that combines the protein and probiotics found in Greek yogurt with the sweetness of fruit and the crunchiness of granola. This parfait is not only tasty, but also has a ton of health benefits. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium and probiotics, which can help with digestion and immune function. To make this, layer half a cup of Greek yogurt in a parfait dish or a glass. You are going to top it with a quarter cup of granola and a quarter cup of berries that could be mixed berries or your favorite berry. Repeat these layers, ending with a layer of granola, and then drizzle a little bit of honey on top. This parfait is not only a great way to start the morning, but it's also super convenient and can be made ahead of time for busy mornings. And Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium and probiotics, which can help with digestion and immune function. And last, but certainly not least, is dish number 5. This is chicken fried rice. This is a great way to use up leftover chicken, and it's a balanced meal that combines protein and veggies all in one. This dish is super versatile, and you can use any veggies that you like. I like to use frozen veggies because they're easier to work with, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. The best part is it's ready in about 20 minutes, making it a great weeknight meal. To make this, start by cooking up some rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is cooking, dice up a cup of leftover chicken and then add it to a pan on medium heat. Cook the chicken until it's heated through. Next, add a tablespoon of olive oil to a large skillet on medium heat. Add in a cup of chopped veggies like carrots, peas, corn, broccoli, or your favorites. Cook the veggies until they're tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the cooked rice and chicken and then toss it all together. Season it with soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and some sesame seeds. That's it. Super easy, nutritious, and delicious. And this is a great choice for those looking to boost their protein intake while also getting in some veggies. So there you have it, the top 5 nutritious protein-packed dishes that are super easy to make. Adding enough protein to your diet can help maintain muscle mass, support bone health, and aid in weight management. But it's important to choose the right sources of protein, especially as we age. Many seniors find it difficult to get enough protein in their diet, which can lead to muscle loss and weakness. However, incorporating these protein-rich dishes into your meals can make it easier to meet your daily protein needs and improve your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful nutrition tips and health advice. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.